through green field development. And who will control the access? You will control their access, right?
Yes.
Contractor security. Contractor security system will be implemented and control
Site access.
the site access. Fantastic. So I don't have any problem. And you have master point. Master point is also there. Emergency mustering point. Designated
Assembly.
CTS. Correct.
Oh.
Lay down area, we have already seen it, so no major concerns, so no fabrication is done, so no major concerns. Traffic, you have traffic management system, emergency response plan. I will also copy and paste. Size and proximity of lunch area, you have designated lunch area?
Yes.